Hello everyone and welcome to Decode Java. Today we are going to talk about ternary operator. And for ternary operator, first let us declare a condition. Now before that, let's declare public void static main. It's our main method. And let's say we have a function which finds out if a particular user is adult or not. And for that, here we can declare a private method. Let's create this one also static so that we do not have to create a class. And this is going to be Boolean is adult. And it takes an integer value age. And here what we do is we do if age is greater than 18, greater than or equal to 18, then return true. Otherwise, return false. As simple as that. And here, then we can have an integer age is equal to, let's say, 30. And then we can say Boolean adult is equal to is adult of age. And then we can do system.out.println adult. Then if we run this application, we should see the response as true as expected. And we can see true here in the response. But this particular function, this 7 line of function is what we can replace with a ternary operator. In a ternary operator, instead of doing this, what we can do is we can simply check if age is greater than or equal to 18, and then the first one of ternary operator is a question mark, and then if this is true, then we want to return true, otherwise false. So this condition, if this is successful, this is the return, otherwise this. And we can get rid of this function completely. And if we compile and run, we'll see the exact same response. Now we can do a lot of things with this. Now instead of this, we can also have it as string. And this one can be a string. And we can print this out. And we are going to see the response as adult, as expected. In ternary operator, we can also do chaining, meaning we have done up till this, we can even go further. So here also we can have another ternary operator. So if age is greater than or equal to 18, then adult. And here we can say if age is less than, let's say, 13, then we can say teen, otherwise not teen. So that can be the operator. So now you can see we have chained couple of ternary operator and we get adult back. And here if we do 12 and we compile and run this application, my condition is wrong. It should be greater than. If greater than 13, then it's teen, otherwise not teen. So let's run. and we can see teen. So as you can see, this should have been greater than or equal to. This is how we can chain. We can do further chaining, but if we do further chaining, it will become impossible to read the code. So we should not go beyond 2 for sure. 1 is best, but we can sometime get into 2 to keep the code to minimal if the condition is such simple. Otherwise, I personally prefer using switch case or if else statement. But this is how ternary operator can be very useful in everyday programming in Java for finding out conditions like this. So that is all I wanted to cover for today's video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to this channel and if you think you are getting value out of this channel, please subscribe to the channel. And thanks so much for watching this video.